Moje meno je Richard Ostrochovský a vítam vás na projekcii nášho krátkeho filmu, ktorý má byť rekonštrukciou niečoho, čo sme zistili a čo sme čiastočne zažili v jednom starom dome s mojím bratom Borisom, ktorý je tu tiež prítomný. A ako takú, na úvod teda pustíme len takú upútavku z toho a potom poviem nejaké ďalšie detaily. Takže môžeme pustiť prvú vec.
Open for business. A haunted house on a damned hill. Experiments of science and occultism, led by two comrades and housemates, without knowing what is waiting under the basement of their house. Canalian Demon.
Touching it will just make your life even worse. Trust me, leave that thing alone.
Canalian Demon.
The cursed breath of radon, a radioactive silent killer, seeps from the soil of these lands. It is a poison that does more than rot lungs with cancer. It dredges up what seems to be something older, hungrier. Dark forces we do not yet comprehend. Forces best left unnamed. Ancient, alien, something that should have stayed buried. And when the heavy sky hangs low like a burial shroud, they rise strongest. And then the Geiger counters frenetically scream their decayed chants, especially when the storm's eye opens.
Toľko predbežná ochutnávka.